Welcome to a world where beauty meets innovation. Today, we delve into the wonders of Dior Forever Skin Corrector Full Coverage Concealer 2023. This marvel of beauty technology offers unrivaled full coverage, expertly masking any imperfections and under-eye circles. With a stunning palette of 30 distinct shades, it ensures every individual finds their perfect match. The minimalist design, a transparent bottle with a sleek black lid, is as classy as it gets. With Dior Forever Skin Corrector, you're not just concealing imperfections, you're enhancing your natural beauty. Let's unmask the magic within Dior Forever Skin Corrector Full Coverage Concealer 2023. This beauty marvel boasts a palette of not 10, not 20, but a whopping 30 shades. This generous spectrum ensures that every skin tone finds its perfect match, celebrating the beautiful diversity of our world. Now let's talk coverage. Ever had those pesky dark circles under your eyes that just won't go away? Or perhaps an unexpected blemish just before an important event? Well, worry no more. Dior Forever Skin Corrector's full coverage formula is here to save the day. It effortlessly conceals those imperfections, giving you a flawless complexion that radiates confidence. But that's not all. This concealer is also a fantastic ally for contouring. Choose a shade darker, closer to brown, and you've got yourself a contouring tool that will sculpt your features to perfection. Dior Forever Skin Corrector is more than just a concealer. It's a celebration of diverse beauty. But the magic does not stop there. Dior Forever Skin Corrector Full Coverage Concealer 2023 is also your perfect partner for contouring. This versatile product isn't just for concealing imperfections, it's a tool to enhance your natural beauty. Contouring is an art, and with the right tools, it can be your secret weapon. For contouring, you'll want to choose a shade that's a bit darker than your natural skin tone, leaning towards the browner spectrum. This will help create depth and definition where you apply it. Start by applying the concealer in the hollows of your cheeks, the sides of your nose, and your jawline. Blend it well, ensuring there are no harsh lines. Remember, less is more when it comes to contouring. You can always add more if needed. The aim is to create subtle shadows that define your facial features, not to change them. With Dior Forever Skin Corrector, contouring has never been this easy and flawless. To wrap it all up, let's revisit the wonders of Dior Forever Skin Corrector Full Coverage Concealer 2023. This gem boasts a palette of 30 shades, ensuring a perfect match for every skin tone. Its dense formula effortlessly covers imperfections and under-eye circles, while also serving as a contouring tool with the right shade. Housed in a minimalist, transparent bottle, it's a beauty essential that's as practical as it is chic. Step into the future of beauty with Dior Forever Skin Corrector Full Coverage Concealer 2023. It's not just a concealer, it's a game changer.